Hey, good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Weather Diversion. Thought we'd give you just a little quick update here because not a whole lot is going on in our backyard. So we have had some risks assigned to this area, but it pretty much looks like most of that stuff is doing a whole lot of nothing. So just wanted to give you the latest on that. Hello, GFS Yvonne. I know one went through you 7, 8 o'clock. Anything bad down there? Jen Forever Young, great to have you here. Linda from Erie and Antlers. Marie, welcome back. Teresa Richards. Fawn Rose from Northeast. Gary, hello. Keith from Meadville, which is what we're looking at right now. Good to have you here. Sue, I'll show you where the rain is in just a second. Clara, hello. Deb Baker, good. Warm, muggy evening, warm, muggy weekend. Connie Bartlett. Connie is watching from Kathy Henderson. Always good to see you. Kathy Turner, always good to see you. Hello, Sarah. Adam Ripley from Waterford. Yeah, some showers, but not a lot of thunderstorms or severe weather expected. It's all gone southwest into Ohio. And hello, wind picking up, but don't expect anything real bad. Bill, yeah, we did pretty well with this one. I think that it's good that we did not get any severe weather, at least so far. Hello, Dave. You going out tomorrow? Sue, hi, buddy. Hello, Lindsay, Chris Stepp, Eric Fortney, and Sheila from out in Cottonwood, Arizona. 111 earlier. It's 107 now. Yeah, the Seawolves should be playing. I mean, there's nothing interfering with the game. And, yeah, Dayton was in the bullseye, and we'll get to that in a second. But let me do you a little bit of Skycam activity here, just to go around the horn a little bit. So Seawolves game looking good for completing it. You can see the live shot there down into the ballpark. They're playing baseball at UPMC Park. Beautiful night for baseball. Over in Girard, just a quiet night on Main Street. Nice. It's close, right? It's what the old timers call close. Hardly any wind, muggy, warm, and you can just feel it. Look at Conneaut Lake there. It's just still. All those clouds and moisture in the atmosphere. It's just kind of hanging. You got tower cam from us here 250 feet above my head. We'll show you the haze as you look towards Canada there. The lights on Peach Street. So let's get into it. Let's do a little radar for you. Answer any questions that you have. Laura, good to see you. Lisa Fogel, Bank of Banks. 159 now. I hope that's your gas and not the temperature. That would be my guess at this point. So we've been going around the neighborhood. So you want to see where the bad weather is? Right here, okay? This whole complex robbed us of any severe weather chances. Now, we have some sprinkles and showers, and as I said, Yvonne and Franklin had a heavy downpour, but that's the mess, and that's what she was talking about. If you're in, I mean, look at that, almost 2,000 lightning strikes. The red ones are the tornado warnings. Let me take the lightning off of that for you. That is one big freaking mess south of Dayton. The orange ones are the severe thunderstorm warnings. So really, from Springfield and Dayton through Xenia, remember the twister there in 1974, to Middletown, Hamilton, north of Cincy, back across to the west towards Indiana. And I'll put a little loop on it for you if you have friends or family. It's diving to the southeast into Kentucky, all right? The pink is the tornado watch, okay? And they've extended it down into Kentucky here. The yellow is the severe thunderstorm watch. But the orange ones are the warnings for severe thunderstorms. The red ones right here south of Dayton are the ones for the warnings for tornadoes. So we got a lot going on in central and southwest Ohio today, and that did not come to us. Thank goodness. So, hey, Kathy Vieira Songer, thanks for that beautiful picture last night. Really appreciate your photography. Send more anytime. Chatty Kathy from Youngsville. Jennifer F. Young, you're so kind. Will you be on this on all my shows, even when I'm wrong? Like Amanda Joe, good to see you. Let's see, Clara, what you got going? All right, enjoy the bonfire. Don't worry, don't you worry. There's another chance tomorrow for thunder and lightning. Celine is here, the airport queen. Brenda Fogel, long time. Anything else? Jack from Boston. How the heck are you? Can I get a cup of chowder and iced tea to go, please? Little Boston cream pie. I'd love it. Yeah, we didn't. We had a slight risk, and that's all it was slight. And what I'm showing you guys here is the fact that this is where all the energy was. It was all south. And, you know, we can go back to the, confused on my screens here, to our area, take my doodling off here. And you can see this stuff. This is stuff that went across Yvonne about a half hour ago. Little bit of downpours and that, but they're out of here, and there's nothing left. I mean, there's just sprinkles and just, you know, bupkis as far as I'm concerned, especially if you're talking about severe weather. So let me see. Hello, Lisa Falutz. Showed you a picture of your dog the other night. Sorry you couldn't be with us. Nothing coming close to us right now, Renee. So let me do the SPC for you, just to show you the risks. And obviously, if you got friends, families, concerns down near Dayton, southeast of Indianapolis, and going into Cincinnati, you're going to be hearing about that on the news if you haven't already. This stuff is all going away. And as far as our area, and I'm going to use the whole kit and caboodle here because I know, Sheila, you're out here in Cottonwood, Arizona, where they have an excessive heat warning. As she posted, 111 out there, and a present temperature of 107 only. So there she is. She's out there baking like a cake in an oven with an excessive heat warning. Thanks for checking in. Always appreciate when you come into the show. Let me go back to our neck of the woods. Let me open it up. Let me clear off the doodling, and we'll give you a quick look at what SPC is saying for the weekend. So risk, this is all about risk. I'll show you a little bit of a weekend map in motion, give you a 7-day, then I got to be on my way. So we are still in what's called the slight risk, but, you know, obviously all the action is down here in the level 3 enhanced in orange. So I don't think much tonight, and unless something triggers something after midnight, we're doing all right. That's today, or I should say this evening. This is tomorrow. So tomorrow we're level 1, okay? Level 1 risk for Saturday. So there will still be some thunderstorms, but the severe risk is even less than today when it was slight. And then on Father's Day, the level 1 goes back to Ohio. This is Sunday, first day of summer, and we're in what's called a general thunderstorm risk, which is non-severe, which is nice, right? Because it would be great to have a day where there's no risk. All right, there's your murky, humid air you can wear. Look across the big pond, more towards Canada. All right, and do a couple numbers for you guys. Just if you hadn't gotten the feel of the atmosphere, I'll take the risk and say this will give you at least an idea. All right, Sherry Meter, our Crystal River greeter. How is everything down in Florida? Thanks for coming in. It feels like Florida here, right? I should give you guys the full meal deal. There's no good lighting in here anyway. Temperatures in the 70s, but more importantly, the dew points are getting kind of murky. 61 to 66. And that's the fuel you have to make storms. It's just the fact that we didn't get much sun today, so the atmosphere couldn't heat up and boil over. But we do have high dew points, as you guys can see here, tomorrow, Sunday, and Monday. So there's still opportunities, well, not only for that steamy weather, but I think, Saturday and again on Monday are your next best rain chances if you're planning ahead. So that's the way it looks, kind of fizzling for us tonight. Not a big risk, but still there tomorrow. And so I'll do a little mappage for you guys just to show you that, this model says, the stuff, if it does develop in the next couple hours, is going away, and it's not near Erie. So you get this quiet, humid night. Start tomorrow with some sunshine. You get a little sunshine, and you may get a little better shot at some storms, but it's really not that impressive tomorrow. Look at how scattered they are. All right, so that's why the marginal risk. Now, it might fire up a little bit if we get enough sunshine towards evening and supper time right in there tomorrow. But again, this is just guidance. It's not gospel. So we just take it with a grain of salt, and that's why it's a marginal risk. Now, for Father's Day, some clouds in the morning, breaking off, and probably a pretty good day. I don't think we get much in the way of rain, if not any, for Father's Day. So there could be a shower or two around, but we have no severe risk, and it should be mighty decent. Okay, and I think you're just going to feel the heat and steam this weekend. Give you a little 7-day action here. And you can see low 80s, right? And then Monday it gets even warmer and stickier. So I think you've got scattered thunderstorm risks mainly in the afternoon tomorrow. Not much first day of summer on Sunday, Father's Day, and then they come back on Monday. I mean, you're talking about a high well into the 80s, so we could pop some storms on Monday. Then there's this big reversal. Take a look at Tuesday, and that high may be too high. It may be more like 65 on Tuesday with showers. So you kind of go from summer heat and steam to like a fall-like showery, cool Tuesday, and then it looks like some very nice weather Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So you got that going for you. All right. Thank you, Maura and Butler. I appreciate that. Thank you, Deb and Corey. I appreciate that. So there is some rain in the area. Take a look at the 7-day. Kathy loves the heat. Let me give you. I should have gave you a full screen. I left Jack, you're a popular guy. I left your comment up there all the time. Thanks for being with us from Beantown. Let me give you full screen here. All right. So there's the 7-day, and I want to do one more radar before I let you go. Hang on. Just to confirm some stuff. I want to change the view here. Just make sure there's no hucklebuck going on here. Go down TMA, take that off. Yeah, and I can see exactly what you're saying, Deb. There's the rain over you and Corey. So we're getting some showers. We're still under a slight risk according to the Storm Prediction Center, but we'll take that excessive heat warning. Sorry about that, Sheila. God bless you, woman. I do not want to be in 107-degree weather, but you can see we got a little, these are all showers. There's no lightning here. So a little dampness, some of you getting a little wet, but so far so good. We're not looking at anything severe at this point in Northwest Pennsylvania. So we got that going for us. We get back to you guys and make sure I got the comments down here. Things are good, Sherry. Getting any rain down there in Florida? Dougie, good to see you. You're welcome, Renee. Alerting Jen, good luck in your ventures tonight. Yeah, if you guys are up after midnight, please join us. We have a few of the ladies, I believe, are going to be visiting our weather cameras and waving at us, among other things. Joe Scott. Which Joe Scott? Is it Grandma? Is it Brandon? Is it Carol? Is it Miss Carol? Is it Josh? So, Laura, good to see you. Uh-oh. Tell them to make sure they're in a safe. Well, it's south of. It is south of Indianapolis, so they're okay. Um, the airport queen is here. Yep, and so it's going to be a fun night, and everybody have fun tonight, right? Give you one last look here, and then we'll close it down for 3 hours, and then we'll open it up again shortly after midnight, where we're going to let it all hang out, as the song used to say. Any last minute questions, comments, or ideas? Just a little radar loop for you there. All righty. Well, hey, thanks everybody for joining tonight. It's great to be able to go on here and say, well, we don't have anything real serious to worry about tonight. That is my pleasure. You are welcome, Laura. I don't know. Take your time there, Jen. Anything after. Let's just say 12:15. Okay, 12:15 and after. You're fine. Be safe. Chris Gaggs, great stuff. Your picture got a lot of heavy hits. The one of the 1953 Chevy and the sunset reflection on it from Shades Beach a couple nights ago. Denise, good to see you. Thanks for being here from Sparty. And sis, hope we see you later. Joe, always good to see you. And all you guys down there, make it a good weekend. If you're not on the nightcap later, we will be here, rain or shine. And, if anything starts to go south, we'll be here even more. So we're with you through the weekend, Tom and Craig and I. If there's any other severe weather threats, we'll see you down the line. And, well, actually, it's Flint that needs a little time because, he worked DeVecchio's shift this morning. And then he came back in here during the news and hung with me till about 15 minutes ago. Don't worry, Christine. It's only the beginning of summer. Thank you, Jen Forever Young. You're welcome, Clara. Glad Mark from Harlan likes my show. He's from Iowa. He understands this storm chasing mentality. Queen, good to see you. Rick, great to see you. Take care. Rock on into the night, y'all, and I'll be back with you should you decide to join the nightcap later on. All right. Have a good and safe night, and if I don't see you later tonight, have a good and safe weekend. Enjoy the summer-like weather on the first weekend of summer. Take care, everybody.